How to log out from Hulu account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from Hulu account. If you have been logged into your Hulu account in any of your devices or browser, here's how you can log out from it. First of all, open the browser where you are logged in. Once you open it, in the search bar, type in hulu.com. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Hulu. Here, if you are logged into your account, you will be able to see the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you find it, simply click on it and then you will be taken to your account page. Once you reach to this page, again you will need to click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and then a pop-up menu will appear. From here, you will be able to locate the option Log Out. Now you can simply click on this logout option in order to log out from your account. Once you click on it, you will see you have been successfully logged out from your Hulu account in this browser. Now if you want to log into your Hulu account in the future, you will need to click on this login option right here at the top right, and then you will need to enter the login credentials in order to log into your Hulu account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your Hulu account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.